Hi guys, so I'm back and I wanted to show you a little demo of how my new recipe soap subs and everything. I only got three soaps that I'm gonna test out. So I'm just going, the one I'm gonna test out right now is the Naked Vegan Carrot Soap. And this one has carrot puree, kale and clay, and activated charcoal. So the little piece that I happen to get is part of the little piece of the black side of it. It just so happens to be that way. So I'm just going to wet myself with the soap. And because it is the black one, the black side is going to give you, it's like a grayish kind of sud. But I don't have the soap anymore. The soap is over here, so you can see the lather. And the more I work it in, the better it is. And it feels great. And that one is the one with the activated charcoal. Now I'm going to test the lavender sage. And again, I'm just going to go and grab it. It's so smooth. And that's it. And now I'll just work this up. Do you see that? Okay, now we're going to test the monkey fart, which is an exfoliating bar. And this one is monkey farts. If I could get the little bag open. And this one has grapefruit powder, poppy seeds, and anyway, the ingredients are on the website. So there you have it. And it feels great. So that is the new recipe. I'm going to be listing some more soaps tomorrow, so look out for that. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.